We are pleased to show you the 2021 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.